Hello, if you've been wondering whether you can download apps and games on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch like the YouTube app, TikTok app, Spotify, or even download games on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch, then take a look. Now, on the smartwatch, if you come over to the list of app or apps menu on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch, you're going to find out that we have tons of applications over here, but there is actually no Google Play Store or even the HiWatch Pro specific app store for us to be able to download and install any app or game into the smartwatch. Also, on the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app over here, if you come over to the list of menu, once both devices are connected, you're actually going to find out that there is actually no app store menu from over here for us to also be able to download and install games and apps into our HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Keep in mind that you might be able to find games on the HiWatch Pro smartwatch menu over here. So in my case, you can literally see I actually do have a game application, but all of these apps and games are actually pre-installed into the smartwatch. And the answer is basically no, you cannot download additional apps and games into your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. You're only left with the apps and games that are already pre-installed into the smartwatch by default. You cannot download and install more apps and games using the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app or even from the HiWatch Pro smartwatch itself. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.